Boy, I hope some people stop by the shop today to take a look at how to build this cool project. Here we go. Hey everyone, it's Bob from Sawdust Garage Studios. Today I'm showing you how I built my chalkboard display sign. Aw, thanks whoever wrote that. So here we have a list of everything you're going to need to put this project together. Starting at the top here, we're going to need 3 1x4 8-foot long boards. I used cedar boards since I was going to have this probably outside if I was going to have it at a craft show or something like that. So I just wanted something that was kind of good for outside. Next, we're going to need a sheet of at least a 2x2 material for the chalkboard surface. I had this 1/8 inch, kind of like almost a vinyl plastic material around the shop, so I decided to use that for this project. But for everyone else, I would probably recommend maybe like an 1/8 inch MDF. You could use some Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint, throw a couple coats on that, it will give the same effect. Next, we're going to need 2 11-inch long lengths of chain. So I found this kind of light gauge chain I cut with a pair of dikes. It's going to be for the sides just to stop the board from opening up too far. Next, we're going to need 4 screw-in feet. They're going to fit at the bottom. They're just kind of rubberized feet that you just run a screw up through right into the bottom of the board. Next, just a quart of black paint. I used just an exterior satin finish black paint. I did 2 coats on that. And the last is you're going to need 4 3/4 inch wood screws. I used like the number 8s. They're just for the sides over here just to hold the chain into place. So that's pretty much all you're going to need. And hey, it sounds like somebody's here. Come on in. Hey, I'm Bob from Sawdust Garage Studios. Welcome. Hi, I'm Rob. Do you have my jacket on? How did you get that? Did you break in my house? Did you go through my closet and steal that? No, definitely not. Actually, I was just here to see you build this really cool looking project. Can I watch? Okay, whatever. Just stay right there. Don't touch anything. But yes, you could watch. Yes, best day ever. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, that's right. We were gonna head over to the miter saw now and let's get cutting. right, so we have our chalkboard piece cut out, we have our cross braces, and we also have our legs cut out. Now we're gonna do the mortise on the side to accept our chalkboard panel here. What I'm gonna be using here is it's a 1/4 inch shank router bit. It's got an 1/8 inch cutting head on it, and we're actually gonna be going, this could go up to 7/16 inch depth, but today we're just gonna be using 5/16 inch depth. So to lay that out, we're going to head over here to our legs. Now keeping in mind, I could show you what I did already on another one to test it out. I ran the mortise right down the middle of that. On these support pieces, you could run the whole way since they're going to be hidden. So the idea is that they're going to butt into your leg piece like that. So that will be hidden. But on the leg piece, we don't want that sticking out the bottom here. So we're going to mark just within the cross piece here and just within the cross piece here. So it's going to look something like this when we're all done. So to do that, we're going to measure 2 inches from the top. And we're going to make a mark. And then we're going to come 8 inches from the bottom up and then make a mark. Now we know that we're going to be mortising between those 2 points. So we're going to go over to the router table now. We'll take care of the support and the legs, and I'll show you how I did that. So for the next step, we're going to install pocket hole screws as our connection method for attaching the side mount to the legs. For that, we're going to put 2 on each side. I'm going to use the Craig pocket hole mini here. And for that, we're going to be using 1 1/4 screws for attaching. This is 3/4 inch material, and they give you a little guide on the back. So it says for 3/4 inch material, we use 1 1/4 screws. For our drill bit, this also has a setup guide with the Craig Mini here. But basically you're going to go from the edge of the screw bit here down to the collar. That's 3.5 inches. So once you lock that down, we're good to go for all this. For the Mini, for 3/4 inch material, you actually have to just place it right on the edge of the material and then go ahead and clamp it down. That, and then we'll drill it. Okay, pop that off, slide over here, we'll do that again. All right, well, there we go. We got the 2 there, so we'll spin it around, do it again on this side, and then the rest of the boards that we're going to be using for our supports. And next we are heading over to paint, so let's go over there and get going with that project. So we got all our pieces laid out here. We're ready for assembly. I have everything facing downwards, so that's basically going to be the rough side. So that's what my finished side is going to be. So I'm going to put that down. This board here has like a shiny side to it, and it actually has the side that you would put the chalk on. So I have the shiny side facing up. We got our pocket holes done. Now we're ready just for assembly. So let's throw some glue on the ends of these just to give it a little dab. This one here. We'll add some to the main support piece here. We'll just slide this in our grooves here, our mortise grooves. Just slip that a little here. There we go. Push it together. Then we'll take our 1¼ inch pocket hole screws here. A little pressure on that. All right, here we go. All right. Now we'll take the bottom one and put some more glue on that too. If you don't have any of these Rockler glue brushes in your shop, highly recommend them. They're awesome. They have like a little nylon top on them. So you let it dry overnight, peel the glue right off. Really cool little invention. There's some here at the bottom. All right. So we'll slip this on here. Okay. Push that in so that's nice and snug. So everything's snug together. All right. And we'll throw 2 more screws in there. Okay. All right, and then we just have this side to do. So again, we'll throw some glue on the ends here. On the side support here. All right. Let's see if we can do this here. Slip this in. Like that. There we go. Cool. Looks good. We'll just finish this up with the pocket hole screws here. Right, and then 2 more at the bottom. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, so we got 1 down, got 1 more to do, and then we'll put the hinges on and the chain and the feet, and we'll be good to go. So that's how we built our chalkboard display sign in the shop today. If you like what you saw, give the video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'd also like to thank our special guest Rob for sticking around through this whole video. So thanks, Rob. Sure thing. Great video, but I think I'm going to skip the whole build process and just take this one. See ya! Oh, jeez, back. You know what? Fine. You can have it. It's a teachable moment. This is why we can't have nice things. But last time somebody watches me build something in the shop. But anyway, wish you all happy building, and we will see you next time. What am I doing?